Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefts. Welcome back again to this channel. This next repair is a 30 years old Panasonic 21 inches CRT TV. Not turning on. I will show you how to fix it. I hope you will like this video. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe now, and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. The horizontal output is desoldered. Also the vertical output. A technician is trying to repair it, but seems they did not continue to finish it. Now I will first measure voltages to the main power supply. Secondary voltage is not present, but the main primary capacitor is charged about 280 volts, it means the main fuse is okay and no short circuits.
A few inches later.
This capacitor is defective. It is part number C812. This is a common defect if there is no output voltage of the STRS6707 regulator. As you can see, it's no ESR reading. I grab this capacitor to a scrap board, 220 microfarads 50 volts, and still in a good ESR reading. Now we have about 25 volts DC output. It seems in a standby mode, it should be 135 volts DC. Placing back the main power supply and connecting to the main board and see what happens. Now the output DC voltage is about 135 volts DC, the power supply is working, and looks like the main board is also working. This is D1710 transistor. It's shorted. This is a 2001HI, a high voltage fast switching NPN power transistor. This is what I will replace the D1720 transistor. Always put a thermal paste to avoid overheating. I will solder back this vertical IC, seems it's not defective.
A few moments later.
Halos walang pinuhunan si Richie sa kanyang newfound sa kanyang abilidad.
Wala akong pinuhunan. Nag-work ako as a beauty consultant.
It's in service mode.
Benefits namin is meron kaming mga personal use. So,
To exit, press simultaneously timer on the remote control and volume down on the TV.
Meron akong isang set ng eyeshadow. Yun yung unang-una kong ginamit. But every time na kikita na lang ako, may mga weddings o ganyan, yung half na kinikita ko is bumibili ako ng mga gamit ko.
Sa tagal ng panahon, ito na rin ang naging bread and butter nila ng partner niyang photographer na
The TV is working now. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.